Pahalgam terror attack the Government of India na Athubada action Loukhatkiba adugumna chahi ani pharaklaba Manipur gi irang asidadi ngasi phaoba action Loukhatana leiriba si laibak thibani haina Human Rights amasung Environmental Activists Jodha Heikrujam na United Nations ki meepham da phongdokhre wafam asi New York da leiba UN headquarter da pangthokpa kunmari suba United Nations Permanent Forum on Indigenous Issues ki meepham da phongdokhibani mahakna makatana hai lamdam asida thokliba irang asina maram oiraga nupi lising kuntra rom lanjenaduna relief camp singda changjafam loduna leiri nupi sing asi yamna pikpa sanfam amada nongma lenaba hotnari maduna konaraktabadagi lambi mapalda pochai yonduna imung punaba hotnaba kayasu yauribani thokliba irang asida Government of India na Armed Forces Special Powers Act thamjilakpana hena awaba ohele hena ngaklibadi afaspa leiriba militarized zone dagi military engineering service ki contractor oiba myoi ama mafam khangdana mangkhriba sini masina takpade afaspa gi makhada military power sing asi miyam ngak sena bakhonabagi mahutta lana sijinnare haibasi mayek sengna takle Government of India na Pahalgam terror attack ta action kaya khudakta loukhatkhiba adugumna Manipur gi irang asigi matangda ngasi phaoba action loukhatana leiriba asi laibak thibani Manipur da drone bombing surface missile attack amadi genocidal crime kaya chatharaklabasu ngasi phaoba masak thokpa action amata loukhatpa leitri irang asida nupi kaya gi ikai khumnaba manghan bikre pikliba angang yauna myoi kaya amana menungsi leitana hatoklaga turelda hundoklam lei lamdam asigi irang asigi matangda matik chaba action loukhatana leiriba si Manipur miyam gi thawai asi value leite haining libra haibasi miyam na hangnarakli miyam na ngasi thengnariba khudong chadaba amadi awaba sing asigi yenglaga Manipur gi irang asi loishinbaga loinana achumba wayel phanghanaba honabada malem gi leibak singna mateng pangbiu hainasu mahakna makatana phongdokhi.
The crisis underscores how our Indian government's impositions of the Armed Forces Special Power Act 1958 has exacerbated human rights violations, granting security force unchecked power and institutionalizing impunity. Shockingly, under APSPA, militarized zone, a contractor of the military engineering services, was killed or disappeared inside Manipur's largest Indian-based military, reflecting the law's misuse to suppress dissent rather than protect civilians. Ironically, while swift retaliations followed the 22nd April 2025 terror attack in Pahalgam, Jammu and Kashmir, India, but Manipur crisis, marked by drone bombings, surface missile attacks, genocide and crimes, including brutal rapes of women and college girls, killings and infants, murders, their bodies dumped in rivers, remains unaddressed. This inactions expose state complicity in its cleansings by Myanmar-backed narco-terrorist group and geopolitical biases. Is our blood any less valuable? Despite Manipur Legislative Assembly revoking the suspension of operation agreements, our union government's continued support enables arms groups to control movements via illegal checkpoints on national highways, extort taxes and destabilize the economy, fueling India's highest inflation rate. Our indigenous communities, traditionally stewards of biodiversity, now face ecological collapse, disrupting Umang Lon, our forest philosophy.